my mat. I'll just do some gentle warm-ups. So just stretching the legs out, sitting up nice and tall, the hands on either side of you, just taking a breath in, stretching through the toes, drawing the tops of the feet towards you as you breathe out, pointing them away. Just stretching out. Any tension around the legs and the feet. It's moving the rhythm of the breath. Just taking your normal yogic breaths in and out. And then let's just do some gentle foot rotations as well, just warming up the feet. So lubricating those ankles and then going in the opposite direction. And feeling that movement all the way up into the hips, gently softening any tension around the hips. And then shaking out the legs. We're going to come onto all fours now. And I thought it'd be nice to do the sunbird vinyasa this morning, just to set us up for the week. If you remember, the sunbird is a mythical goose in India that draws the sun up in the morning and brings the dawn. So if you're able to come into a kneeling position, and you might want to start high kneeling if that's too uncomfortable for your feet, with the hands in the Yani Mudra, with the back of the right hand in the palm of the left and the thumb tips joined together. And let's just roll those shoulders forwards and up to the ears on the in-breath and roll them back and down. Just taking a moment to have a full breath in and out. And reminding yourself that every day is a new day, a new beginning. And then bringing the hands together at the heart center, coming to high kneeling, breathing in, reaching up towards the sky. And as you breathe out, just coming back down into your kneeling seated position. And then we're going to breathe in and stretch the arms up. And this time as we breathe out, just squeeze in the navel and gently bow down towards the earth, stretching the arms along the mat. Taking a breath in, lowering the elbows down, creeping through the elbows, coming into a version of the cat. And then as you breathe in, stretching out the right leg, lifting that foot, and then breathing out, lowering the knee back down again. Breathing in, looking forwards as you stretch out the left leg. Breathing out, lowering the knee back down again. Then coming back into the swan pose. Breathing in, feel as if the hands and arms are lifting you back up towards the sky. Palms of the hands together, breathing out, coming back down to rest. So we're just going to continue following the flow of the breath, breathing in, reaching up, breathing out, flowing down. Stretching those arms away as far as feels comfortable along the mat, coming onto the elbows, creeping through the arms, looking forwards, having a little dip in the spine, and then stretching out the right leg. And feel that you're lifting up the back of the thigh to help lift that leg. Coming back onto both, and then stretching out the left leg. Breathing out, lowering back down, rounding the spine, and sinking back into the swan. Breathing in, floating the hands back up towards the sky, lifting the heart towards the sunshine, breathing out, coming back. Let's just do 2 more. So breathing in, Stretching out the spine, stretching out both sides of the body. And out, just moving to the rhythm of your breath. You might want to come back to the rhythm of that 4-2-4-2 breath. And just notice what comes up for you in those pauses. And one more. Just noticing where you can feel the body gently beginning to release its tension, and where you can still feel resistance. And then when you're ready to, coming back and resting the hands again in that little bowl of acceptance.